Hey everyone, I am really excited to announce our second Elegant Oxford Shoeshine Masterclass in Chicago on Saturday, May 18th, 2024 at Dashing Chicago with special co-host guest Levi Elliot, the United States Shoeshine Champion. Like last time, the class will include a personal 1.5-hour sit-down course with me, where I'll teach you how to master the shoeshine with everything from basic care to advanced techniques, along with an added 20-minute suede care session by Levi. The $79 admission fee includes the class and also $100 worth of Saphir MDO products in your choice of color that you can take home afterward, which includes a horsehair brush, a Saphir shine chamois, 1 jar of MDO Renovator, MDO colored cream polish, Pate Luxe wax, and mirror gloss. And of course, if you do not wish to participate in the workshop, you are more than welcome to come for a meet and greet and to hang out at the shop. To reserve your spot, please visit theelegantoxford.com or visit the link that I've left below in the description of this video for our May 18th class next month. I really can't wait to meet all of you in Chicago. I had a blast last time in San Diego at Gentleman's Footwear, and I'm sure this time it's going to be even better. I'll see you there.